Welcome to qnawire.
First of all, let's have a look what all is given in the problem. Given is some of the pairs are given, like the first one that is given is lithium or cesium. Second one that is given is lithium or fluorine, cesium or fluorine. After that is chlorine or bromine, oxygen or sulfur, sulfur or selenium, and the last one that is given is fluorine or chlorine. What we have to find out is basically we need to tell about which will have the highest electron affinity out of the pairs. So let's try to look at the first, let's try to understand the meaning of electron affinity. Electron affinity means the energy that will be required to add electron in the outermost shell. So now let's look at this lithium or cesium. We know that in the first group lithium and cesium is present. So this is the first group. We know that as you move down the group, atomic size is increasing. If atomic size is increasing, it will be easy to add the electron. Thus, electron affinity will decrease. So, we can say that in this first pair, lithium will have more electron affinity as compared to cesium. Now, let's look for lithium and fluorine. Lithium or fluorine, they belong to same period. As you move across the period, atomic size decreases. Thus, we can say that fluorine will have more electron affinity as compared to lithium. Now, let's talk about cesium and fluorine. Again, going down the group, electron affinity decreases. Thus, fluorine will have more electron affinity as compared to cesium. This chlorine and bromine. We know that bromine is present just below chlorine. So, chlorine will have more electron affinity as compared to bromine. Similar goes with oxygen and sulfur. Oxygen has more electron affinity as compared to sulfur. And same goes with sulfur and selenium also, because all the three belongs to the same group only. Now as you go down the group, atomic size is increasing, thus electron affinity is decreasing. Out of fluorine and chlorine, fluorine will have more electron affinity. So these are the elements that will have higher electron affinity.